Hello hacktubers and welcome back to my channel. Okay. Today's project is not this game, but if you want to see how I made it, I will put link in description below. Today's project is a simple device and easy to build power supply without using any integrated circuits or voltage regulator.
Subscribe to my channel and watch hundreds of DIY videos.
Okay, let's start. As I say, I'm building simple design power supply without using integrated circuits or voltage regulator. First you will need a small piece of wood, 8 AA batteries, you will need battery holders for the batteries. I have this one, or you can use an old battery holder from some kind of toy or any other device. Wires and this electrical connector for connecting more wires. What is the plan? We need 8 batteries connected in serial connections, and all together will make 12 volts. On the beginning we have 0 volts. After first battery, here we're gonna get 1.5 volts, second one 3 volts, third one 4.5 volts, and all that way up to 12 volts. On these spots we're gonna connect on our electrical connector. Let's start building. To mention that this battery holder for 2 AA battery makes 3 volts, ground 0 volts and positive 3 volts. Here I'm gonna solder one more wire so I can split the voltage 3 volts on half. I'm gonna do that on all battery holders. I soldered the third wire on battery holder on each battery holder, and next step is to glue them on this piece of wood. So far you should get something like this. Let's continue. Next step is to wire the battery holders between them. The first wire negative you leave it, you take the positive wire and connect with negative wire from the second battery holder. The last wire this red wire, it's the 12 volt, and you should leave it. Also, and this one. You need to do 3 connections. 1, 2, 3. I know that is a little confusing with all these wires, but I'm gonna explain. The first connectors, this one and this one, will be 0 volts. This is the wire. The third one will be 1.5 volts, and you're gonna connect this wire. The fourth one will be 3 volts. You should place this wire, these 2 connected wires, okay, and so on and so on. Zero, 1.5 volts from the first battery holder. Next is these 2 wires that are connected from first one and second battery holder. This will give 3 volts. And now 4.5 volts. I need this wire. Six volts. You're gonna use these wires that are together from the second one and the third battery holder. Place it here. Okay. .5 volts. This wire. 9 volts. These 2 wires from the third one and the fourth battery holder. Okay. .5 volts. The last from the last battery holder. I'm pretty sure that you figure out how to connect, and everything I made very simple. Just to mention that you will need also a switch. I'm using this small switch, and the last wire from this battery holder that give 12 volts or the positive will go to the switch, and from here to last connector. Okay. I made this metal holder for the switch. Very nice. my homemade primitive power supply without using any integrated circuit or voltage regulator is finished, and turn out, as you can see, super cool. Let's try it. With my digital multimeter, I will measure all voltages. The first two are 0 volts. Yes, 0. 1.5 volts. 3 volts. 4.7. 6.3 volts, 6 volts. 7.5, 7.9 volts. Because all batteries are fully charged. 9 volt, 10.5 volts. The multimeter reads 11 volts. That is because all the batteries are new. And this one, oh, I'm not reading 12 volts. Why is that so? 11.1. What's the problem? Maybe. No, I get it 11, but I don't get 12 volts. Why? Shit. I must admit I make a mistake. I connect the switch on the positive wire. I should connect on negative. Such a damn thing. I need to fix that. I fixed the problem, and the problem was that the main switch was connected between the positive wire and should be on negative wires. And now it's working great. Let's test it again. Let's say 3 volts not working, but when you switch 3 volts you get off. 7.5 volts. Great. 10 volts, we get 11 because the battery are full. 12 volts, kill, on. It's working great. This turned out pretty amazing invention. Whoa. That's all for today's video. Please share, subscribe and like my projects. Thanks a lot. See ya! I make a mistake. Whoa, whoa. After a while.